In this video, we will compare InvestEngine versus Trading212, which is the best investment platform. InvestEngine is a UK-based investment platform focused entirely on ETF investing, positioning itself as one of the low-cost solutions for long-term passive investors. It also has two core options: the do-it-yourself portfolios, which has 0% platform fees, and managed portfolios, which comes with a very competitive 0.25% annual fee, including buys, sells and portfolios rebalances, which are all commission free, and there are also no charges for ISA accounts, deposits or withdrawals. For investors who prefer a hands-off approach, the managed option automatically selects and adjusts ETF allocations based on your risk profile. For more experienced investors, the do-it-yourself mode will allow you full control over ETF selection, along with performance tracking and portfolio rebalancing tools. The platform is clean and minimalist, built for ease of use and well suited to those who want to build a diverse portfolio over time with minimal cost. However, it has major limitations in the lack of individual stocks, mutual funds, crypto or bonds. You're restricted to ETFs only. Additionally, while the platform is mobile friendly, it does not yet offer a featured mobile app, which could be a huge drawback for investors who prefer managing their portfolio on the go. Overall, InvestEngine is best for those who are long-term, cost-conscious and ETF-focused, particularly useful for ISA investors building passive income or retirement portfolios. Trading212. Trading212 is a widely popular investment app in the UK and Europe, known for its commission-free trading and flexible investment features. It offers three types of accounts: invest for stocks, ETFs, or ISAs, or CDFs for leveraged products, covering a broad range of investor needs. For the casual saver or active trader, one of the biggest appeals is its lack of trading commissions, combined with the ability to buy fractional shares, allowing users to invest small amounts into companies such as Amazon or Tesla. It also supports auto-investing via pies, where users can build custom portfolios and automate regular contributions. The platform has no deposit or withdrawal fees and is highly accessible through a well-designed mobile app. However, users should be aware of the 0.15% currency transfer fee and on any assets that are not in their base currency, which can eat into your returns, especially for those traders trading US or EU stocks from a Great British Pound account. The CDF side of the app opens for index, forex, indices and commodities with leverage. However, this comes with a spread and overnight fees and even high risk, making it less suitable for many beginners. Trading212 does not support mutual funds or crypto, and it lacks retirement account options such as pensions. It's outstanding for an all-round, for zero commission trading, long-term investing and do-it-yourself portfolio builders who want more than just ETFs.